This is the CHG Cobham Outdoor Furniture range. This is one of our best-selling ranges for 2026. It's a wood effects heat transfer on aluminium frame, backed with a 3-year guarantee, season-proof cushions in this beautiful beige colourway, a real nice herringbone effect to it, and then the beauty of the ceramic glass tabletop. They are technically called a season-proof cushion, so they've got these grates right at the bottom to allow all the water to pass straight through. So I'd be really happy and confident to say to customers, you can leave these outside from about February, March time through to October, November. If it starts to rain in April, the April showers, these will be absolutely fine to be left outside with a real nice quick dry foam inside for that peace of mind. So the Cobham range starts from about a 4-seater with our Cobham square set with the adjustable table up to a good 8-9-seater. This particular set, the Cobham rectangle, you're looking at about 8 people. You can equally grow that with additional armchairs, stools, and our matching range of dining sets. The great thing about the Cobham range, we've hit a real nice sweet spot with this. We've worked really hard with our factories to hit a price point. So you're starting from about $1,500, $1,499 to this particular one here, you're looking at about $1,999. So everything that we sell with the Cobham range is sub $2,000, making it, we think, really good quality but an affordable price point.